Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video we are taking a look at Tesla stock and let's see how high can we continue. Well, in this video we'll be taking a look at the price action and what are the levels to watch going in for tomorrow, most importantly, and like what are the top line limits here where Tesla can just continue this run up. Like, what do we have to look for, right? And also I want to emphasize that short sellers would be in a lot of pain right now, and I'm going to show you some data as well, and that would I want to show you where short sellers have been piling more and more, and now this squeeze that is happening, guys, is also we'll see how many of them are still covering, but there's this squeeze momentum. What happens is that when we break these technical levels, right, we have then not just a buyers coming in, we have short sellers covering, then we have momentum buyers covering. So that also fuels in this explosive move to the upside, right? So, but anyways, before going further, I want to let you know none of this is any financial advice and it's only for education purposes. Guys, even when I go on the and see on the medias what the other folks are talking about, analysts, many of them are still bearish. And there was one I was seeing on, I think, CNBC and I think Wells Fargo. They were talking about their bearish case, and I'm like, in which world are you living? Technicals have been confirming upside, and Tesla, and this is when that analyst was talking about bearish case at this green candle when the price was at 230. I'm like, what is in the technicals that tells that person that is a bearish case? I mean, yeah, it's ridiculous. Many of them are not showing up anymore on the media because, again, media also plays this role that they show the people or, the analysts or whatnot when the price action is confirming their bias, right? Media is not in the business to tell you how to trade. They're in the business to give you a confirmation bias. So price action did this, oh, because of this reason. They'll pick anything, cherry pick anything to fulfill their self-fulfilling prophecy. Anyways, on our channel, we go over the technicals, we get the entries at the really great places, and we make really great profits. And also, my intentions out of these videos, as you know, is to educate you how to see the structure, how to read the price action, where the stop loss should be, right? There is nothing guaranteed in stock market. The way to trade the market is to increase your probabilities of coming out with more profit and practicing and disciplining the skills of stop losses and trading the structures. All right, that's how to trade. Okay, now what I want to start off this video is showing you some short data here. And this is accumulative data. My indicator gives you on the daily basis as well how much short volume is coming, but I want to show you some cumulative data here. So you can see this is down here is the Tesla short volume percent. Again, this says at 3.3 of the total shares of Tesla, but that's not what we are looking here. What we are looking for is the peaks and the troughs on the chart here. So you can see that when Tesla back from $200 before started to fall, we see a sudden spike in the short interest on Tesla. All right, and then even when Tesla fell to 140, and this is where short interest was increasing, but short sellers didn't start getting out or didn't limit their position. They kept piling more and more, and that's what you are seeing, that we have this still standing up here, the short volume interest or the short interest. We do see some dip down here, but still lately increased as well more. When price starts to break out, maybe more short sellers were trying to pound it below, just keeping it below that 200 days moving average and trying to, and this is where I also talked about when price went to 195, there were a lot of puts being played for the price to go lower, but hey, price went the other direction. But here I'm showing you that the collective short interest on Tesla hasn't come down yet to the previous levels where the previous some consolidation or the level was. Short interest is still high up, and this is what is also leading this momentum because many of the short sellers are now covering their positions. And this, as I said, we have the buyers coming in, momentum buyers coming in, technical sorry guys, technical traders coming in, and then short sellers covering their position. So all this results into the buying momentum. But anyways, I just wanted to provide you some more data and information there as well. But all in all, to put it simply, structure and the technicals as price action, what I talk about, that's the simplest way to do it. And I mean, I have made money doing that, and I'm teaching you the same principles as an educational opinion. Nothing is financial advice here, guys. I take guarantee of nothing. Please go and do whatever you want to do. All right. Now, so Tesla, it is at 246 right now. And as you are already aware about, we are full on bullish structure, right? I mean, weekly interval, we had a great, wow, this weekly candle is looking so awesome. We had a inverted head and shoulder. I have been saying this already for quite some time now, and everything was looking great on this. And I have been saying that once we get out of this channel on the weekly level, things will start to look really awesome and Tesla will go back up. I wasn't expecting this quick to 246, but hey, I'm not complaining. I'm like really green in my in my portfolios. And with this, actually, I wanted to tell you one more thing, guys. So guys, this is my dividend investing channel, Junior Trader Dividend Investing, and link to this will be in the description of this video as well. And I'm contemplating, just because my Tesla ETF that I bought in this dividend portfolio is so much in profit, I'm contemplating should I sell some of it in profits. And again, I provide my weekly, bi-weekly updates here. If you are interested in following along in this journey of my dividend investing, feel free to subscribe to this channel and check out the videos here as well. All right. Okay, so let's go back here on Tesla. And so when did we have such a massive, and we still have, this week to go, Friday is still left, but just in a week we made $46 move. Back at a time, we only had this particular week with such a great momentum to the upside, and that was $44, $45, almost similar where we are. But yeah, this is really awesome. Yeah. So anyways, yeah, structure is still bullish. We're above 200 weeks moving average as well now, and that's a really good sentiment shift as well on Tesla. Now let's go to the hourly interval. And okay, so sorry guys, let's go back to the daily interval. So am I seeing any signs of top right now that some pullback is coming? Right now I'm not seeing any signs of that. When these big caps have to reverse, they usually go through consolidations. It's not that it's just gonna Tesla is gonna go like that. Again, it can happen, but likelihood of that happening is very minuscule. So Tesla, in my opinion, any pullback as if it comes, that will, well, structure is still bullish. Pullbacks eventually are just a buy on intraday level. And swing position, again, my bot has also given profitable swing positions on this. But also, if I really quickly show you my day trading bot as well, and if you need access to my tools, links in the description below. Look at the great profit percents, guys. The last 30 trades on Tesla, you can see the table there on the left side bottom. And yeah, you can see that we have been net profitable and really great moves all on the profit side as well. So if you need access to my tools, links are in the description below of this video. All right, so let's go to the now hourly interval. And if you ask me, like, until where can Tesla smoothly go up? Well, so Tesla has a habit of making $100 move once it starts its direction. So if I take this 168, go up $100 almost, it comes to, right around this level of 268 or so, right? But, and also this is where I see this some, here the resistance. But we'll see how high it goes. But definitely, it has opened up the door to 265. Let's see if we can continue there. And for that, we have to look from the lower time frame perspective as well, how things are looking at on there. So on hourly interval, guys, yeah, we are still very bullish, and I'm not seeing any sign of bearishness on this. Tesla at this point, even if it does a pullback to 240, this is just a pullback and it's still just a buy. We have a 20 hours moving average as well coming. If we lose 240, then I think we have to give it one more day to see how it does above 234. Technically, these are the two levels where you can still see the price action, like double bottom, consolidations, and pivots forming, uptrends forming. And if any pullback happens, these will be the levels. They are still a buy on intraday levels. This is already extended time to buy the swing. My swing bot actually gave a buy position. Again, that's if you have access to it, you already know my swing bot gave a position back down here, and already partial profits are coming out. Now, so at this point, again, it's extended. I don't like to start a swing position up here, so I'm gonna just take partial profits, and intraday pullbacks, they can be still traded upside. All right, so right now there's no structure to the downside. All right, so yeah, even if you ask me, junior trader, what if, like, what do we have to see if Tesla has to become top here, or is this the bearishness? Well, you have to see first consolidations, and then we will see where that level forms of the distribution phase, and the break of that level would give you some downside play. But right now, I'm not seeing anything in that perspective. Plus, Tesla's 8th of August, that robotaxi announcement is coming. So it's very possible that month of July will stay very positive for Tesla. All right, cool. Yeah, guys, so that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, valuable, please hit the like, subscribe, and if you need access to my tools, links on the description below. And with that, I'll see you in my next videos. Take care. Bye.